in a way, who goes use in a way. You understand? Because I'm going there.
Thing is about Ghost, when you try to talk to him and tell him something, he gets angry for what we don't know. Right? Like, bruh, come on.
All I'm saying is, because of Ispan Sako, we are streaming, I understand. Because you're shy, Ispan Sako.
Ispan Sako, you're shy, in terms of rough.
In terms of
you're shy, Antoine.
Tina, so. Mina grand.
Bafowethu lalela futhi wena into zama ukuchazela ubuye esini beka ubuyuless bam yini ubuyuseless bam la
nithi
ngiyangibhedela
bona
afisa kangazongizwa
uyakusaba and uyakurespect. That's why there's things angeke akutshele. You understand? Manje with me, it's a thing of I don't buy faces, yabo.
Yeah.
That's why abaningi buy excel because I don't buy faces. You understand? Right now, ngisasho nano ungifilisa ngathi uyangiuser.
Reason being why?
Because yes cheater lo.
That's the truth.
Wait. Is cheater sip?
Thina asasijita kanti.
Wena nobani?
Oh, wena futhi.
Like I said, pinjam. Hey, like some Kulisi aka is proud with the fresh boys, you know me? Sure.
Yella walla. Ayo. Devil mfuna bagirla yitsa kenan the ken. Rushu rayshuna rayet.
Alright, quick guys, ne. So today we're operating we're gonna shoot a video for Ghost's channel, you understand?
Yeah.
Usaphumile fast, so a Ghost no editor. Ufake leqala. I don't know if you're gonna see this. I think we'll show him.
Yeah, we'll send you this video.
Yeah, because Uphumile, so we want to prank Ghost. Nge video yakhe. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It makes sense. Simchelo ukuthi asamfune esijiteni wara, you understand? Something like that. Look at the kicking you out of the boys club, man. Hey, hi, bruh.
That's like that's keying your feet.
You're too controlling, you understand? You just
those type of things.
We're gonna be personal for the sake of entertainment. We're not personal. We go to our boy, you guys know. So yeah, Ufuna sends a live update.
Yeah,
video of why this why. So take away. So khuluma kahle mawufika, so shoota mawufika siyokumela. Mara simeli because siyayiqalela thina. So yeah, please make sure you watch the video till the end, like, comment and subscribe. It goes, bras. Really like. Hey. You wanna start? Hey. They're trying to scratch my car, bro. Anyways, yeah, man. Please make sure you watch the video till the end, like, comment and subscribe. And if you still want us to prank Ghost or prank anyone, kala ni DM in goma IG. Na yam. Fa?
Na yam.
Anyways, yeah, man.
Something.
Stop. Stop.
Yeah, record.
Mpana wari chacho. Do you know that name?
Mpana wari chacho.
Horikitene.
You got tell me gireme. Kibona future pencil lepe.
I don't know. I think that.
Ora parigiri puff all. Kibona suba chokolo. Hey.
Damn, you got caught. That's the only petty thing I like, bro. I'm a fan. No, that's a quality. Fana what you chat.
Fana what me chat.
Come on.
Keep cut agna. That's been la more utilities into Zakon.
No, it's trash.
Nah.
Come. Damn, I didn't know that. I have to go and look, bro. That's not getting utility is chai, boys. Shit.
Oh shit, I got them shit.
Oh shit, I got them shit. Damn. Shut it down. Oh, the video's already started.
Yeah.
Cho fere bafethu. Hapu trainer, hapu nandi. Kamera musimthandile nabamthanda bambiza ngasimthandile na. Things I'm push order 5.
Ghost. Cho, gotta be fast, ne?
On.
Get long for no mix and aleng is kind of cool.
Harikitene. Okay, let's wait for guys. I've got it. For sure. Very man, I'm so on the pre-go to the comments in Tandy. No one can call me. Same Tandy. Show. YouTube. YouTube. I'm with.
Yella, walla, yella, yeah. mfana bakirela hits again and again. Brusho show Pelela player. YouTube, I'm with.
Hey man, that's good. Anybody's your
boy.
So cool. CAK is proud of the fresh boys. You know me? Sure.
YouTube. I think I'm gonna take this thing. YouTube, I'm with you. Today, guys, it's a calm video, chilling video. We're just chilling, boys. I was like, nah, let's just do it. Update. Let's update you guys.
Update. Man, what's been going on?
What's going on? Why are we lacking? You understand? I know there's two and fuck these niggas. We here, boy.
Hey, bro, the comments are personal. Some of you guys are even swearing with it.
In fact, I'm like,
oh, you understand?
For real?
Are you for real? Yeah, but what's going on, guys? Content is, let's start with the lady. Start with Khaleesi. What's going on? Let's explain to the people.
It's bro, life, dog.
Explain to the people what's going on.
Guys, life is hectic, bro. There's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on, like, and since this is ninging as Katisiwa. And now things are a bit not hard, but like for me, ne. I can't say but like there's a lot going on because as near as Tangsana editor. I had to do things on my own right now. Moto, transport, stuff, and like there's a lot. And there's things I can't mention on YouTube, but like there's a lot going on. Of which it's like me one, and it's me against the world. Understand? And I'm trying. I'm trying to multitask. And they, man. Because it's a lot, man. It's a lot.
The only thing we can
do. We push, dog. We push. We have to. Because if not, who's gonna wait for us?
Let's push. The only thing you can do, just keep supporting. Just keep showing love. You know,
man.
Just here to update you, guys. What's happening? What's going on? What's
Marascon?
Tinaskai, we are born and to see a poster and you're born and a vlog. My face. What's happening to you? Why you don't post?
Yeah, actually.
You know why you don't give us? You understand?
The reason why I'm not like dropping, guys, it's that like I'm busy, bro. Like I'm busy with something. Busy, like I'm always busy. Whereby I can't give my YouTube time. Oh shit.
Like yeah, that's.
Come on, move.
I don't know.
Yo.
Hey, sorry for when you skis.
Okay, by the way. Live update what in a chinchilla from
there's something in busy going on, sorry, but then once I'm done, I'm gonna start posting. Actually, next week I'm gonna start posting.
Next week, guys, I'm gonna post this week.
Next week I'm gonna post, I promise.
Next week
I'm gonna post.
Anyways, Ghost, what's new, man? Tell us about you, bro. It's been a minute.
Nah, boys, it's been a while, bro.
The reason me I stopped posting, I don't know, boys. To be honest, I don't have deep reasons to deal with things that are happening in my life, personal shit. And I hate the thing, but we don't have a reason straight. But no, we want to say personal things. We can't mention things.
Yeah, that's the thing. There are personal things. It's just that we can't mention them.
We can't mention about your band.
Exactly. But there are things.
But there's all of.
Anyways, life update, man.
Bro.
Yeah,
and the people they don't see me and you understand on the video. Yeah, they're asking what's going on. Are you guys? I was like, nah, man, we're not even. It's just a thing. We're trying to do something personal. Understand? We're trying to fix our relationship. I think we just started on social media.
So the social lately.
Yeah. People they be asking about what's going on.
Me, I'm asking.
Yeah, we asking like both of us. We asking, bro. What like what's going on?
I can't. I don't have the answer for it. But I'm just saying we're trying to build the relationship we have in real life.
I'm full.
I didn't say that. I'm just saying
I'm full.
What relationship are you trying to build in real life?
That's my boy.
Oh, that's your boy.
Yeah, that's my.
Oh, darling.
No.
That's what you say.
Yeah, that's what you say, bro.
That's my nigga. That's my girlfriend.
You are his nigga.
That's my friend right there. You understand? We're just chilling. We're trying to build that relationship in real life, and we're trying to make sure we solid because
so you guys like
started things like social media.
That's what I'm about to say. You guys really want to take it out there, like you want everyone to know.
Yeah, we really wanna. I think it's nice to claim to someone, bro. I think it's nice to claim someone. Do you not have a girlfriend?
But mina.
Yeah.
Angachiri. Oh, ningibuzani.
We're asking you what's update. Do you have a girl? Do you dating someone right now, or are you just still talking to your girlfriend? You don't need to mention the girl name, but do you have a girlfriend?
Jolie.
Oh, you don't have a girlfriend.
Mina Joe. Yes.
Oh,
Mina
yeah,
Jolie ngiyathandana.
Mdeva.
But I'm not saying khona umuntu engimthanda right now, and I'm not saying akekho ngamthandi right now.
Yes.
All I'm saying is ngiyathandana. And I'm not saying ngiyajola, and I'm not saying angijoli. I don't know if that makes sense.
It makes sense.
Thank you.
It makes sense.
Thank you.
But umuntu call.
Serious?
No, because like that's how it is.
Serious?
You can't say akujoli kyaratana.
Mina zomjola ngizenzi mina ngiyathandana.
Uyathandana nobani? Uthandana nobani? Uthandana nobani?
Kanjani?
Uthandana nobani?
Kanjani?
Who are you in love with?
Kuphi?
Okay, sharp. You answered, guys, but then I'm sorry. Me, I'm not dating. I'm not doing anything.
Let me double check by it's recording. Yes, recording, guys. Hey, there was a ring hour younger, Baba. There's nothing. Can you fix the angle like internet? No. It's okay.
Yeah, for me, guys,
it's obvious.
Me, I'm not dating, bro.
Why you not dating?
It's obvious.
So why you not dating? People that don't know, maybe there's someone who chance.
If you're phone, just text me, Brian. I'm telling you, phone. No,
but just know you're just wasting your time.
So what's since you
what's gonna change? Consistency.
Consistency. Yeah, consistency, bro.
Consistency, because there's a lot of videos that need to be uploaded. It's just that time.
There's a time.
And like I said, umuntu enzela izinto zakhe ayi-one akusana team lo ukuthi manje uzokusiza ukuthi wenze in like wena sound, wena subtitle, wena cut, wena everything we do it ourselves, you understand? Akusana it's challenging. Yeah, no matter you understand.
Like, it's crazy.
Guys, YouTube is not what you guys think it is, man. It's hard.
Yeah.
And it's fun because people just request videos with just drop, please drop. Yes,
scave more.
Yes, we want to drop, but like, Leo process your drop, like.
And if we're just gonna drop J, we're not gonna bring quality.
That's the thing.
Yeah. Understand? If we can just drop 2 videos today without any shit. You can get a video right now.
But that's the thing. We don't want that.
Yeah.
Because Tina, we deliver quality over quantity.
Yeah. Exactly. Imagine that we can give you, if you want a video, there's a video. The thing need to be, understand, another level. Okay, any question, guys? Any questions? What's your goal before the end of the year? Oh, and thank you guys for 300k subscribers, cause
oh shit, yeah,
hey, bro.
Big motion, bro.
Big motion.
Oh shit, goddamn,
thank you guys properly.
Yeah.
That side, but like Nani, I was tender you and
I'm just saying for 5, you know, just craving for 10.
What's your goal before the end of the year?
End of the year, this 10k
is to have real friends, ne?
My goal is just
to have real friends, ne?
I have real friends. My goal is just to make a 10k sub, understand, and just 10k sub and see the process.
Yeah, with your real friends, ne?
What the fuck? What is a real friend? Nigga, you're my real friends, nigga. So what's going on? Another question. For you, what is your goal for you? Dog.
My goal for this year, ne? Before the end of the year, is to have niggas that really got my back. And have niggas that really support me as much as I support them. Have niggas who are not controlling. What else?
Okay.
And have abangani abangafakelani pressure. Understand? That's my goal. To have niggas abantu aba solid. Let me just put it like that. To have solid friends. I am gonna abasifakela pressure abasina.
Okay.
Because those are not your friends.
Okay. What is your goal for the year?
My goal for this is to make it out, like maybe like my 20k subscribers.
Something like
with Kahiso, by the way. Because I feel like I'm gonna tell you this, but then I feel like you're too controlling.
Oh, so
and again, we had Ish. We was offended, but then Ish, poison Ish. We had a chat, so I think last. We had a chat.
That means you're not about the conversation.
Yeah.
Not now, bro. This nigga. Okay, wait. Okay, the chat was doing what?
I'm so deal, pal.
Hard. No, I'm not, dog. I'm just chilling, dog.
Yeah.
We were talking with like Morocco does something. You can do things straight to like grand.
Now, what he means is we're having a chat, ne?
Yeah.
Masiba mutual grounds, right?
Yeah.
Low enza, SGT.
Yeah.
It's him. Low enza.
Yeah.
Low enza.
What does he bring to the table? Like
as friends, in terms of work.
So there's
Marang Sakulu. As friends.
Relax.
No,
We're just talking again.
right.
Yeah. It's life update.
As friends,
Yeah.
there's things we bring to the table, right? In terms of business. We can be friends and there's business. Of which we don't mix business
friends.
with friends and clash.
Yeah.
Angithi? So, besikhuluma nomdeva ukuthi okay, let's say siya travel for instance. Ne? Umdeva uletha le ayiletha to the table. Mina ngiletha le ngiletha to the table. Wena uletha in.
You see.
Understand? So,
Nah, gcina
umdeva
sengiqedani
marang
thini ke lapho.
sakhuluma. Wena mawukhuluma singene emlungwini.
Ngixolise Ntaba.
You understand? That's why zona lezi izo lezi esikhuluma ngazo.
Exactly, yeah.
Kodwa angithi ngiyabuza nje, ngiyabuza ukuba niqede naphelelaphi kulo magameni.
Ngathi siyakhona.
Okay, khuluma.
Or ufuna ukukhuluma? Khuluma Ghost.
Ungakhuluma bengiyibuza
Angithi
la.
video yakho khuluma Ghost.
Okay, bafowethu to update.
You understand? Asilungise phela. Angithi ngisakhuluma.
Okay,
It's life update, bro.
Yeah, life update.
What's wrong with you?
So, sabathi uyaphona by come to think of it. In a way, uGhost uyasiyuza. In a way. You understand? Because when I'm on that to shoot,
Every time we go to Magana to shoot, every time.
yeah, when I go to
Like, bro, what the fuck? Like,
it's not all my
sorry
video.
about that.
Shoot when they are safety to or
As long as we video, grand.
we are fine.
I'm sorry.
Understand? But umdeva unjani unobani ushutile yena,
Yeah.
you don't care about that. You only care with it when you secured your video right.
Alright, my friend, you're an editor.
Editor ka post
Now,
you make your money.
video. When you run out of videos, you come back again.
come back
Just
to
let's
us.
shoot. Hey, my channel grand.
Mawusendlini.
Shoot.
Mawusendlini I was TXT. How are you guys? I'm just checking up on you guys. Nigga, let's chill. Yeah, kahle. Nah, maybe he's just a friend. YouTube.
Yazi umbhedo niyawukhuluma nihlangene. Umuntu avela
Yeah, for sure, because
nithi la kimba.
Yeah, because like, guys, imagine you having a friend.
Into engizama uyichaza la iyodwa la
You fighting, relax.
angili ngiyabuza uba nithini kimi ngihleli la.
But all I'm saying is bengeke ngikutshele efonini.
Uyibuyisele le nto ifose uyisebenzisa.
Yeah,
Le nto ayikhuphayo uyikhuphela uzowenzani ngaleyo nto?
yakho.
Uyikhuphela.
Someone got relax, bro. What's wrong with you?
Uyibuyisele if uzoyisebenzisa uyibambe kanjalo.
Ungenaphi lila ntyamo ke hlusa ke tshwara monna what's wrong with that?
Uthi unenkinga ngayo. Mengizokuba uzoyisebenzisa.
No.
Relax.
Last nenkinga nawe.
Okay, khuluma inkinga yakho mfowethu.
Last nenkinga.
Khuluma inkinga yakho.
It's not personal, chief.
Khuluma phela waloku ufundana ngopersonal khuluma inkinga yakhe yipi la.
Yeah, I I'm going there.
Thing is about Ghost, when you try to talk to him and tell him something,
So?
he gets angry for what we don't know.
Sibamba ngamawashini.
Right? Like, bruh, come on.
All I'm saying is mina ngiyagcwala mpinjami yabo because of ispan sakho uyasichumina, I understand. Ukugcwala ngiyagcwala because uyashaya ispan sakho.
Ispan sakho uyashaya ntwana rough.
In terms of
rough.
In terms of
uyashaya ntwana.
Thina so mina ngigrand, you understand?
Ukujeni ngani?
Ngisakhuluma.
And another thing, Ghost can't do a video alone, bruh.
Exactly.
He can't do a video alone without us being there. He needs to make sure with it. Okay, bruh, zwakala, shoot.
Uyawenza la bochini bakhe la
okay, something. Sure about that.
Mfowethu lalela nkabi yami angifuni ukuchitheka la phambi kwenu. Lithe lami nkabi yami khuluma inkinga.
All I'm saying is me I feel like
khuluma into ofuzo ikhuluma la singachithana.
Me I feel like personally uyangiuser Ghost.
ufeel umsibhedo, ufeel amasende. Into engizakuchazela yona leyo, ufeel umsanga.
Personally, all I'm saying is I've come to a realization ukuthi ghost mina personally ngazimdera.
Same thing,
uza
same
kimi
thing.
makafuna ama video. Uza kimi makakhala nga something.
Yeah.
But he can't just like I'm a text away. I'm a call away. Then I'm a grand. How are you feeling today? As much as mina ngimtext ngimcheck.
Yeah.
If ngimtext ngimcheck whatever. Angeke until azobona skip you post
Exactly.
next week siya go people and then day before
Because I in this space, okay, now boys are shooting, let me try and do this and that. Yeah. That's what he does.
And it's
Bafowethu lalela futhi wena into zama ukuchaza la ubuye esinini beka ubuye uless bami yini ubuye useless bami la
awasinithi
uyangibheda
bana
afisa akazonginyela lo
relax
linganginyela
bana
if ukhona into akakhulu ufuna ukuyikhuluma makayikhulume phela angeke seyifuna ukukhuluma angeke senzola update la yini leyo
live update
yona lo msaka ninokubizayo
Why are you angry?
khuluma phela wena okay
Relax,
uthini wena
why are you angry?
Angikho angry mfowethu siyakhuluma ngithi uthini
Why
wena kimi
are you angry?
uthini kimi wena khuluma phela uthini kimi uthini mfowethu
We are stating much. You shouting at us. You shout like.
okay ukhuluma
Relax.
inkabi yami angithulile ke
Siyakhuluma ngisho.
khuluma ke
Every time that's why I'm sometimes like I get lazy ukuthi ngikhulume naye or something. So I'd rather like just keep quiet.
Uyakusaba and you respect. That's why there's things angeke akutshela. You understand? Manje with me mina it's a thing of I don't buy faces, yabo.
Yeah.
how
That's why abaningi ba exile because I don't buy faces. You understand? Right now ngisasho nano ungifilisa ngathi uyangiuza host. You understand?
yeah
Yes, you are only here to benefit.
okay ku benefit ke manje lithini plan lakho ucabanga
Like I said, mina anginankinga nawe, anginankinga nomuntu umdevu inja yami. That's why kakhulu ngiphila nomdevu. Uhlala azwakala azongichecka. Mangekho grand uyeza. When I need something he's always a call away or a text away. You understand? Should umuntu oso uyangiphilisa. Siyaphilisana. You understand? So what I'm saying is anginankinga nawe but ngigrand ngawo njalo. Angazi ngumdeva, but mina sengikhulumela ngami. With guys, this is the first, it's not the first, but this is the last video enengibonayo channelini kaGhost. Because of, like for example, asikhulume ngama channel ethu asemasayidini. When last did you shoot a video no Ghost?
Yo?
Because I don't know.
Because I phone.
Mina mangimtext ngifuna ushoota now for
ngizoba ngibhizi phela ngibhizi mina ngaso sikhathi
Wait. Okay.
lalela mthembu
Guys, listen, guys. So when ufuna ungitshela ukuthi like when I need you busy, but then when you need me,
anginowabikhanga la awakhuluma kama ngwashongo
today I was busy. Today I was busy. Bengenzani? Angiya edit.
he was editing. I was editing right now. Yeah.
But I stopped editing. Ngibeke phone. Just so we can shoot a video kaGhost, straight video kaGhost, and then mastreta I'm gonna go back.
mfowethu akuso inkinga zethu lezi esenzenza kulo la update nala
uselfish. Usicabangela uyona akusinkinga zakho. Uyasho nanu.
Akusinkinga zabo.
inkinga zethu lezi kumele siyibeka le ngithi lo update mina sizowenza la
Live update.
ngobusho lo update lo live update lo ushoyo sizowenza la ngithi mina sizochazela abantu bayini
It's an
singathi
update.
It's an update also. We're telling them what's the flop again.
yini update yenu nibeka kanjani sithini
Update is like-
wena ngikuzwile sithini sakho
Ntwana yami Ghost, wena every time when we need you, awukho. But then when I'm staying, when you need us, we always there.
angikho mashooting bafowethu angikho mashooting
Sikhuluma ngama-shoot.
Wait, you only come because of you also benefiting from those shoots.
Exactly. Yeah, the only reason you come.
You get what I'm saying?
Yazi njani?
ngibhedela ke manje
Angaba busy nangamalanga wama-shoots.
Yeah,
But because
but
he
then-
knows uyothola a-shoot
Exactly,
naye. That's why
exactly.
eza.
That's why he comes.
Kusasa ngiyashoota kusasa for my channel was.
angizobe ngikhona
Wow.
ngizobe ngikhona kabi
Wow.
yami
Ozobe ukhona khosivusile ku-channel yakho.
lalela nkabi yami into engizama uyichaza la mfowethu bengamelanga inkulumo ezinje sibeke kulezi zinto lezi
Ungayiphosti ke.
Ungapost again.
angizoyikhatha le party
Very card.
asikhathini le party kodwa umsangano mafowethu lento iyangicaka le wena
Anginankinga, my friend.
Wait, Mama, what is the card? It's a card after, which means like we lying to our people in a way.
asiqamba manga inkinga angisho babamele bese
Sibaxomela manga.
asiqambe
Like, we're
manga
telling them
ngithi
lies.
akumelanga bayazi leyo nkinga
Reason being why? Reason being why?
because yesijita leyo
That's the truth, Moji. That's the truth,
Wait,
Moji.
wait. Isijita siphi?
thina asasijita kanti
Wona nobani?
Oh, wena futhi.
Like I said, pinjam.
hey uyibu uthini
Wena nobani?
nithini mafowethu kimi khulumani phela khulumani mafethu ngikhuluma into ezwakala relax
usemotweni akamnganami to start uhlala phansi
ngifuna uzwa kahle mfowethu uthi ukwenze njani
usemotweni kamngani
manje ngenzeni mina ngalo msangano ngingenaphi umsangano sithi ngingenaphi
isidi
fusek
which means yabona ukuthi awunandaba wena ngisi ukuthi awunandaba
fusek ngingenaphi mina lapho ngingenaphi lapho mina if ngifuna ukufuseka bafethu ngameni ngikhulume kahle bafusek sifusa kanini ningaloko ngizokhuluma umbhedo la
ukumele ufuse akumela ngifuseka but like I said mina ngicela nge-friendship njalo you understand before thina for sure you had friends bophilisana nabo already nabo basakuphilisa because bakutshele lezi zinto sikutshele zona ne
in a way that's what I think
now I feel like because you had friends akasanabo nophila naye so I feel like
cause uGhost mamfonela usendlini I'm busy endlini hey wara I'm busy at home wara
hlalo busy mpinjami ba
endlini angeke umthola uGhost you'll never find Ghost saying like I'm with someone I'm with my friends wait there's no way cause why they cut him off bruh. They cut him like off. That's what I'm thinking from my own perspective taking. Get what I'm saying?
Ayikho ukhethe ngokhethayo la. Abafowethu bakhona ngiyaphilisana nabo. Ibandla nginalo nje ngiyaphilisana nabo.
Abafowethu abobani?
Abafowethu.
Ophilisana nabo bani kuhle?
Labafowethu abantu engizala nabo.
Njani yazi
ukuthi uzokutshela ukuthi again uzokutshela ukuthi ngizobona umfowethu e13 ngiyangizozwakala la. Umuntu akhona akafiki. Akatext akathini. He'll only text you when he sees the post.
Zwila ngithi mfowethu.
He'll only text you when he sees the post.
Kulungile nkabi yami.
Ucheta nawe ngizokucheta anginankinga.
Ayikho kumele sichathane ke manje noGrand ngomuntu.
Vele plus besingachiti vele.
Yini sikhuluma
besingachiti. Yini sikhuluma. Wena kahle kahle bongachita ngokungiphendula mangikutext.
Exactly.
Yeah, besingachiti.
Exactly. There's a difference guys between like texting someone.
Umuntu mawumphendula uyachatha nalo muntu. Mfowethu mangithatha lalela nkabi yami sikhuluma nefoni angiyena umuntu efoni mina ngikhuluma nefoni. Angikhulumi nentombi efonini angikhulumi namuntu efonini angiyena umuntu efoni angikhona ukukhuluma nomuntu
phela msengizona le ntombi oshutha nazo ama video wakho uspendele imali yakho qhubeka nabo
mpilo nazo njalo
mina ngirela understand like I said guys ngishapa anginankinga no Ghost angilwi no Ghost but le content ngayishaya
kama sikubona estrateni wala shusho will greet you on the streets like shusho Ghost there's no hate
not my boy it's no hate it's not script njalo any video mina ngifuna ukuvaya ngifuna ukuqeda le video yami nginankinga nawo boy tell what you must and we will tell what we must I think we'll do what we do best
exactly something
shona sicama ukuchaza uba sonke lesi sikhathi nina nithi sihleli la sihleka sinqumile kumnandi
uhlala nobani Ghost
uhlala nobani That's the matter.
What will Ghost do? Uzofika shoot masiqeda ukushoota he will come back here sit with us like have a chat nyana then he buys since
he chat
will only see Ghost another Saturday when you're about to shoot. That's how the relationship is. Life update.
Like right now you're only here because bese your shooter and exit emini today be shooter for people Jamestown or ever.
Exactly.
Khona sibuya
no.
Sasa ngeke sikubone. Tomorrow is Sunday, angeke simbone uGhost. He's here today because it's Saturday. Is that
and it benefits him a lot because now he is having a video. He's having a video as a Jamestown like come on, bro.
Listen, I suppose about guys, what do you think? Is it ubungani uphili? Do you call that ukuphilisana? Treat abangani bakho so
lalela
comment down below
ayikho into zokhomenta la ngoba le video izophuma lalela nkabi yami into zamkhona bese besive siceda kahle lento nizama ukuthi mina mnamdeva sonke lesisikhathi ngilana
siphi isikhathi bro what you talking about this guy
so ayikho into enyaziyo ngami
wait Ghost cousin what do we know
mpeftanini Ghost
ngijonga ngingenaphi ama-15 wabantu mina
but then thina sazi ukuthi unibirthday yanini
birthday yanini mina
ni-14 October
is he lying
angazi
am I lying now
ngingenaphi mina angitshoni nawe phela kuzoba sama-birthday yakho ngithola nani
do you guys get the point
ngithola nawe na kuba ngihlale la ngithi umdeva nge11 nge12 nge13
comment down below if you get the point
Jelo Ghost Ivalo mpinjama ufunani
mdeva wena ngoba uthi umfowethu yangichitha kulungile ke mfowethu ungichithe vele ngibambi ngizokubamba kaGesu kaGesu ngizokubamba kaGesu uthi wenze njani wena
whatever I'm gonna say is from the bottom of my heart and I mean it.
Khulume.
Please don't touch me.
Ukhulume phela ukhulume lokungitshela ngotouch ukhuluma kwenze njani?
Please don't touch me.
Khuluma phela.
I'm about to say.
Makhulume.
Maria Ras. Like we are chilled.
Khuluma angifuni ukuchilla nani ke nami.
We are chilled, relaxing.
Ngenapho ukuchilling mina.
Yabona inkinga
ngenapho ukuchilling lapho makakhuluma umfowethu. Sengikhathela lesilungisene lokungifundela ngesilungu. Angikhulume nesinto. Kunini la siqale ivideo sike ake sikhulume isilungu mase senze ivideo iphelile ke manje ngoba phela sengikhuluma umsangano la khuluma isinto uthi wenze njani uring muna uwa
ngikren
yini ekren guy
khuluma
about like
wawukhuluma ngezandla
ngikhuluma ngezandla ngikhuluma ngomlomo ukhuluma mfowethu uthi kwenze njani khuluma ngesipho angukuthatha khuluma ngesinto angibuzo mode touch khuluma ngesinto usikangithwara
guys, I'm gonna put this like straight. I'm no longer comfortable being with you.
Being around you.
Yeah. Actually being around you.
Akulungile madoda. If sekuyindlela leyo. Yo yonke into bafowethu esikuyo.
AC
or AC.
Thank you. Nangsharp, I'm grand.
Grand, and I'm like not like
it was
I don't think we'll call you bra like I was gonna say so phone but then I don't think we'll call you because probably we don't need you anyhow.
We don't need you. So take care boy.
So okay, so we last week just follow any video madoda.
Siyabongela for your 5k usizile, it's fine.
Yeah. Uyasineka usineka.
Uthini intana yami?
Usineka lo.
Ngilangiclick now Thiyabo. Hlanga nomngani wami.
KaFeso
ngakhuluma ngezandla. Relax.
Guys, relax. This guy.
5k of our subscribers.
5k of our subscribers. We love you guys.
And
catch us on our channels.
And thank you guys for being a part of this prank because Ghost just been shocked.
Just been shocked, boy. Nah, guys, we come. This is our boy, man. This is our boy. We play, bro. Relax.
Are you joking, bro? Yeah.
Do you think like it's gonna keep us like just like that? Come on.
Yes, though you play a huge role.
Come on. You play huge. You are playing like a huge role, bro. Like
you are the father.
Come on, poison. There's no way you can say because this no longer running with us or something.
Lying, bro. Where did you start the prank? Yesterday,
bro.
Aye, okay, let's be honest. When I'm our editor, bro, I'm our editor.
When you edit the video,
you guys know, man.
We'll send you something. We'll send you something.
Please comment down below. When Kabiam?
Kamakeba, bro.
And if you think this was a good prank,
yeah,
Ghost, we love you, bro.
We love you, bro.
Let's not say much. We love you, bro. You are a dog. Homeboy. What's up? Mara, real chat. Mara, real chat.
Leo guys, like besides the prank and everything, ngicela straight and two years asingani like stop like mama khuluma like mawufila ngathi umuntu ukutshela ivara and you start to be angry and shit.
Ungathukani because thina sikuthuki nganoma kwanda kanti thina
sikuthuki ntwana yami asithuki at all
nangelanga lamhlolo ngeke ungizwe ngithi hey Ghost
wara
let's respect each other.
Yeah,
you understand?
Nizwakele bafowethu.
Respect each other.
Nizwakele.
Thank you.
Hey guys,
I'm joking. Thank God.
Make sure you like, comment, share,
subscribe. What the fuck is going on, bro? Yo, ngifuna iprank niqale kanjani kwenzakalani
we'll send you something. Send something.
Mawufika ngathi sivele sathi ashoot.
Yeah.
Bese ngafuna ukuthi uthathe ifone ubheke ama video because khona ivile si shoot before le.
Oh shit, let me see. Whoa. Guys, one love by the way. Hey, I don't believe this shit by the way. But I was so
right, you know, it's a live update, bruh.
What this nigga yapping about? And right now I was like, I don't wanna, you know when you when you did a lot, then you can't claim. You understand? Because of you're going to tune it didn't count. You understand? So in my mind I was like, what did I did, man? You
must mention it as
you understand? So the thing was fuck. I didn't. Oh shit! You can't make because they didn't plan it. By the way, subscribe, man. Like this video, I guess you're gonna see us in the next video. Sure. One love. Subscribe.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.